Hey everyone, it's Kristen, and today we're going to be doing this glam lace mummy makeup look. To start this look, you're going to want to put up your hair, and then I put this sort of mesh piece of fabric over my hair, sort of making it like a wig cap. And to adhere things today, I'm using a lash glue. And I'm using this to adhere the mesh part to the forehead. I'm leaving the sides out until I get the bandages on the sides. Next, I'm going to cut apart pieces of this lace fabric, and I'm cutting sort of a straight piece for the forehead area and adhering it to the mesh piece. Be careful not to get any glue on your hair. Then I cut out two sections of the flowers and added that to the cheeks area. Then cut another straight piece for the neck area. Then I'm using some gauze bandages for the mummy style look. Wrapping this from my forehead to around the sides of my head. And wrapping it until like the whole top of my head area is covered. Then here I'm ripping part of this apart and dragging it down, making it look like it's been distressed. And kind of drag that down over the eye area. Then I begin to add some more ripped areas. I kind of want the lace to look like it's peeking through the bandages. And here I added some kind of ripped sections to the nose area. In most mummy looks, the nose is covered. Then using the bandages again to wrap from the chin around the outside of my head. And then finishing that around the neck. Then adding a few more sections of the bandage and some lace. Here I'm adding more bandage pieces around the neck and distressing them, kind of making them look like they are hanging. Then I add a few pieces of lace and just more pieces of bandages until I like the look of it. And I am gluing these pieces to the back of the neck. Here I glue a few pieces of lace to the shoulders because I wanted to make sure that section had some lace. And then added a few more lace sections to the open spaces. And next I use a red liquid lipstick for the lips. And that completes this glam lace mummy makeup look. I really like the idea of taking something that's supposed to be like a monster or ugly and making it look pretty. And I think this would be a really fun Halloween costume. If you wanted to make the look more creepy, you could add white or colored contact lenses to complete the look. Let me know what you guys think of this look in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys again soon.